Welcome back to the shop. Judge Pearl is on the docket today, and I am your judge, jury, and executioner of the strikes. How corny is that? But today we're talking about the Judge Pearl. Just like the Solid, this is part of the advanced technology line from Swag. It does have the Witness Pearl Reactive that is finished at 1500 grit with a polish. Also, it is a big ASIM, so it's got the Judge Asymmetric core with an RG of 2.49, differential of 0.52, and a mass bias of 0.19. I did lay this ball out 55 by 4 by 30. I will say it's a really big ASIM ball. I really like it. What I've seen out of it so far, I threw it out of box fresh, drilled it fresh, took it to league, and had a really good night at league. Y'all check it out. Make sure you check out my website, hackjobsproshop.com. You can place your order there. Always check out bowlersmart.com for the latest, most up-to-date on the Swag equipment. Any online retailer, as well as, most importantly, go talk to your local pro shop. Tell them you want some swag. If they don't have it on your shelf, tell them to order you the Judge ASIM or the Judge Pearl. Let's put some swag in your bag. Here's a few shots. Y'all check it out. As always, stay safe. Put 10 in the pit and have fun while you do it. All right, now we got the Judge out of box. Nothing done to it. So I put the same layout on this as I did my Dragon, which was 55 by 4 by 30. And we're standing 30 like always. Normal house shot line. It's a big ball. Not quite, it's a little smoother than the Dragon. Okay, you know how we do. Let's see if we can get it down first arrow. Let's see if we can strike straight down and in. So I'm still going to have to come a little left with it, but I'm going to be playing that gutter real tight. Yeah, I'm going to have to play that gutter just a little tighter. Color on this ball, dude. The purple and the green, the orange logo. Man, this ball, it's a good looking ball. You know, when the balls look really good, they strike really good. So let's see if we can get outside again, playing straighter, a little straighter, a lot straighter actually. From the left. I don't know if I'll be able to strike that one from that far out. I'm gonna lay my hand flat and see what we can do. Let's see if we can just get some forward roll, see, I'm gonna break my hand flat, take some rev out of it, take some hand off of it. There we go. Still left 4-pin. Try it one more time, then we'll get in front of the gutter. Okay. Last time, no matter what happens, we're going to get in front of the gutter. We're actually sending about 2 left of center, just so I can open up some. See my hand? Taking as much out of this ball as I can. That was about 8 board. There we go. It's about 7-8 at the arrow. So now let's go in front of the gutter. So I drilled this ball on Sunday. Had a league last night. So I threw it at league fresh off the press. Didn't get a chance to really work with it and figure out what it does. I just went with it. And I ended up playing this line. Ooh! Little washer. Almost got it. But I ended up playing that line last night all the way deep into the 3rd game. And then I started leaving splits and corners like that, which was burning the ball up. So lost my train of thought. Oh man, I did it from the left. Let me see if I can get it out just a little bit more. It needs to go out about 5 more boards to find the pocket. There it is. But that's that. So You can order yours today. HagGuysProShop.com, BowleysMart.com. Talk to your local pro shop. Tell them you want some swag. Tell them you want the Judge Pearl. It's a good ball. Y'all stay safe. Put 10 in the pit.